Hi everyone! Today I'm making Ollas, which are clay vases that you bury under the soil in your garden bed or your planter box or whatever, and it slowly weeps out water to your plants, giving them nice even moisture. It also uses a lot less water than surface watering normally does. So you can buy them at the at certain garden centers. However, I haven't found them very cheap, and they're also they don't hold a lot of water. And so for my purposes today, what I'm doing is instead I'm getting two just normal unglazed terracotta pots. I believe these are about 10 inches, and I'm gonna glue them together. So this one's the bottom one. Actually, I got this little rubber plug stopper off of this pot I just bought at the store. I didn't need the stopper in it, so I just moved it into this one. So this is gonna hold the water in, and then I'm going to glue it like so. And then on the top, that's the little water hole, so we'll put water in there. The whole thing will hold water, and because terracotta, when it's unglazed, is slightly porous, it'll just slowly let water weep out into the surrounding soil. And I guess each Olla is supposed to cover about, I think 4 square feet is what I've heard some places. But this one is going to be in a round planter. So I think it's going to be perfect when it's all done. What I'm using to glue it together, and hopefully this will work well, I haven't done this before, is 100% silicone. You're kind of in the way, buddy. Oh my god, you're so in my face. Okay, so we have a nice even-ish bead of silicone caulk all around the whole rim. And we're gonna flip this one without the plug onto this one. If I can get some of this popsicle stick action. I'm just kind of like rubbing this all flat and making sure it's nice and even. It's kind of hard to do this and point a camera. Okay, it's been about a day and it looks like it's dry and cured, and let's see if this part is waterproof. I think it's okay. Hey, it worked. That's nice. Yay. I made an Olla. So the main point was to get an Olla cheaper than the ones available in stores. And on that front, it was a huge success. It only cost about $10 to make this Olla as we made it today. If I had made multiples, if I made, say, a set of 3, it'd be even a little bit cheaper, just under $8 per Olla, because I would be splitting the silicone caulk amongst 3 Ollas instead of just 1. So a lot cheaper than the pre-made Olla in the big box store. That's usually about $30 to $40. So I'll be using this in an upcoming video. Stay tuned for that, and please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!